Stay out of the water. Go right, go right.
Oh, okay, I see.
All right, now rotate right here.
There are poles. This thing does alright.
Oh, dude, don't stop in here. Keep going. Get onto the solid, packed ground. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, we made it.
Some Jack Reacher shit right here. Okay. This handles pretty well, honestly. These tires are great for this. I mean, this is probably the best use of the upgrade, honestly.
Wild Peaks
I'm
Falcons.
impressed. The Sportline suspension is soft and supple.
Got our new sway bars on here.
I mean, if you worked on a job site, this would be the play, honestly. I would choose this.
All right, let's go get the drone.
You could charge your tools up.
How about the emergency landing?
That's impressive. Timed well. Good coverage. Yeah, we're gonna be okay.
All right, hurry. Let's go to the drone.
Man, this thing is.
Hurry. Still have footage on the drone.
Yeah, that is $800 too.
Aircraft not connected.
Nice.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, hit it. Yes.
It's pretty good. Gotta be careful about the brakes.
Brake test.
Somebody-
Tesla brakes.
Some people definitely need to upgrade to the Sportline brake upgrade. With,
All right, get to the drone to the left.
is it to the left?
Yeah, to the left. It's in the grassy knoll.
Oh my God.
You got it.
Uh-oh.
Go.
Been spotted.
Before that landscaper finds it.
That's a good prize. Is it over here to the left?
On the left. Grassy knoll.
Is it? Is it on the left?
Here's the view we're looking for.
Oh my God. This is pretty wild, honestly.
I think it's right here. It's right in here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in here. It's in this grass. Here's the pole we almost hit. Yep, to the right.
You see it?
Yeah, to the right.
This thing handles pretty well.
That's
There it is.
nice. No, that's not it. It's up
Yeah,
there.
no, it's right there.
Oh, there it is.
There it
Yes.
is. Yes.
Hold on, stop.
Success.